In this video, I will show you how you can add browser preview for your Google Antigravity app. So as an example, I have this index.html website, and firstly, what we can do, if you click on this browser icon, it will open this localhost URL, and here you can see some kind of preview what it can do. So for example, agent can click, scroll, type, and navigate web pages automatically. So basically, if you want to test functionality of your app, you can do it with this. And now to start the actual preview, what you have to do, we want to run our local server. So you can either open terminal over here and you can type npm run dev, or you can basically ask Antigravity, like, give me local preview URL, and it's going to automatically start the server for you. So I can click on run. Now it should give us the live preview URL. So you can see our server is running on this host URL. So if I open this, you can see this is our app. I can test it, so I can add task. It's simple to-do list. And you can see everything is working. And you can also do this with the Antigravity. So what you can do, you can go in the agent and you can ask him to test the functionality of your app. Antigravity can do this for you. So it can add tasks for you, everything. It will check them, it will remove them, basically check every function if everything is working. So this is how you can add browser preview for your Google Antigravity, and make sure you have Node.js installed, because if you don't have Node.js in your computer, the npm run dev command might not work. So what I can do, I can type node space slash v, which means like version. And if you see v and some kind of number, this means you have Node installed. So if you don't have Node, you just want to simply go to your browser, simply search for Node.js download, and you want to download it from the official website. All right, so you can choose your operating system, you can choose the version, and after you have your Node installed, you can run this server. Of course, you can also preview your app like from your file link. So you can go to your files in your computer and you can find this index.html file and you can basically open it. So I can open my files, and in the recent you can see this is my index.html file. So what I can do, I can open it and you can see this is different. This is not running like on the server, on the local server, but it is for basically your file. But everything should be working as well here. So I can type hi and you can see it's working. And this is going to be all for this video. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.